I pretty much got this wig in as well, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink. It just gives me Barbie doll like vibes like all the way around. The wig cap is very, very good quality, and I do love that it has the built-in scalp. I'm very, very pleased with this wig. Ooh, go, 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 go. Don't mind the bags underneath my eyes. My allergies is bothering me really bad. But I have to review this wig for you guys. They sent me a wig cap, and my wig came in this bag. This little hair porn for you hairaholics. And look at those curls. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Of course, you know I have to model it on my styrofoam head. That isn't creepy at all. And now time for me to model it. And that is the style that I shall rock and wear my wig. Of course not. You know I have to find that style that fits me perfectly. So let me go do that, and I will return right now. And I found that hairstyle that I am in love with. I actually kind of hijacked the style that was on the ad where I bought the wig at. I put it up in a little ponytail, and I loved it in that style. And now I'm putting my bunny ears on because it is almost Easter. And this wig will go perfect for Easter. I'm trying to play with my little ponytail, maybe split it. Nah. To the side is how I'm going to be wearing it. And I think it's just absolutely stunning. The collar, oh my goodness, I am lost for words. I love the color of this wig. And I love the fact that I can blend my natural hair through it. Like I do all my other wigs. I make sure when I buy my wigs that I can do that because I have the dark hair at the top. And just, it's beautiful. I'm just in love. I am absolutely in love with this wig. I know I said that about all my wigs, but this one is my absolute favorite one. And she shall wear a spot in my closet. She shall wear a spot in my closet. She shall have a spot in my closet on the styrofoam head. Happy Easter, guys. I hope you have a very blessed Easter. And for all my dolls out there, go get you a wig. I probably won't come in before Easter, but you can still go to a hair salon and get you a cute little wig like this if you don't want to dye your hair. Look how cute. It was really cheap too. As always, guys, mwah.